Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you 10 useful shortcut keys for Eclipse IDE. First, open a Java file in your Eclipse. First shortcut key is Ctrl Shift or Open Resource. You can search and open any files such as Java, XML, text, etc. You can also choose to open them with the right editor. The, The second key is Control Shift L, Show Key Assist. This will open a key assist screen where you can see list of shortcut keys. If you press Control Shift L again, it will open the preferences page where you can customize the shortcut keys. Third key is Control Shift F, format code. For example, in this file, the codes are not lined up properly. So this shortcut key will neatly arrange your code. You can also use Control A followed by Control I for the same function. Fourth shortcut key is Control Shift O, organize inputs. This shortcut key will arrange all the input statements. Next shortcut key is control space, that is content assist, autocomplete. Code completion allows you to quickly complete statements in your code. For example, start typing a part of the method name or press control space to complete it. Sixth key is control D, delete current line. This shortcut key will remove the current line. That is, it will delete the current line. Next key is Control Alt down, duplicate current line. This shortcut key will copy the current line, that is duplicated. Eighth shortcut key is Alt Shift or rename. This shortcut key will rename the file, package or other items. You can also use F2 for the same function. Next key is Control slash toggle command for single line. This shortcut key will add a command to the current line. You can also remove command using the same key. Next command is Control Shift slash add block. This shortcut key will add commands to several lines at once. You can also remove the commands using Control Shift backward slash. Last command is Control F11 run last launched. This shortcut key will start the application that was launched before. Say for example, I have one application here. I am executing this application. Now the application opens a browser. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.